Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to fix a frozen or black screen on your ROG Xbox Ally X quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Force restart your ROG Ally X. Step 1. Hold the power button for 15 seconds until the screen turns off. Step 2. Wait for 5 seconds after it shuts down. Step 3. Press the power button once to turn it back on. Step 4. When the ROG logo appears, your device is restarting normally. Fix 2. Connect charger and restart. Step 1. Plug in the charger to make sure the battery isn't dead. Step 2. Hold the power button for 15 seconds again. Step 3. Wait 5 seconds, then press the power button once to power it on. Step 4. Check if the screen lights up this time. Fix 3. Boot into BIOS mode. Step 1. Turn off the ROG Ally X completely. Step 2. Press and hold volume down power button together. Step 3. Release the buttons when the BIOS screen appears. Step 4. Exit BIOS and restart your device. This can refresh system display settings. Fix 4. Test with external display. Step 1. Connect your Ally X to a monitor or TV using a USB-C dock or HDMI adapter. Step 2. Wait a few seconds to see if the display appears on the external screen. Step 3. If it works, the issue is likely with your built-in screen or brightness settings.